Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about KuCoin because since last 7 days, this meme coin is continuously pumping here. Entire crypto market is down, but you can see 85% pump in last 24 hours. This awesome performance from this meme coin. I'll share you his price prediction that his KuCoin has potential to reach $1 price here, and can we see his all tier 1 cent like exchanges listing here or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Basically, friends, this is another AI meme coin. Okay, group snap $0.0056 current price. Last 24-hour pump by 85%. Last 7 days, 104% pump. Last 14 days, 136% pump here. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. In last 14 days, entire crypto market is dumping. All meme coins are dumping here, but its price is pumped by 136% here. So this amazing performance from this meme coin. $35.9 million market cap. So this is awesome. $30.3 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is huge trading volume for this meme coin. 6.9 billion coin supply, all in circulation. And this meme coin is working on Ethereum chain. Okay, friends, like see Ethereum ecosystem meme coin because there are many other group with same name. Okay, but they are on different chains, just like on Solana, on any other chain. You can see, friends, baby group, and this is another same name. Okay, its name is group, but this meme coin is working on Ethereum, sorry, on Solana chain. Okay, this one on Solana, but this meme coin that I'm right now sharing with you is working on Ethereum chain. Okay, you can see this is a meme coin on Ethereum chain, AI meme, and Elon Musk inspired meme. So the categories are amazing, that AI meme and Elon Musk inspired meme. So this is good. They are still 80% down than the all time high. They were 1 year ago $0.029, and right now we are 290% up than the all time low. It was $0.0014 1 year ago. So performance from this meme coin is still good. MEXC, Get.io, XC.com, Arbit, BingX, BitGet, Digifinix, Albank, CoinW, these central exchanges has already list this coin, and maybe we can see its listing on many other major central exchanges also. And if you are still not have MEXC and Get.io exchange account yet, I will provide you both central exchange links in description. You can join Get.io and MEXC, and you can purchase all meme coins there before listing on tier 1 central exchanges. On Etherscan, friends, you can check out all further details there. 20,800 holders for this meme coin. This is amazing, and holder charts are increasing here. New holders are coming in this meme coin. This is bullish news about this meme coin. Number high one wallet is MEX exchange. Okay, it makes the holding 17% of its supply, worth about $6.8 million. So this is good. MEX is a central exchange. Another exchange you can see is Get.io is the second high holder of this meme coin, holding 7.9% of supply, worth about $3.1 million. Okay, BitGet, another central exchange, okay, holding third highest supply, that is 6.6% of supply, and Grook's 4.3% supply is also burned. $1.7 million worth tokens are also burned. Number fourth wallet is again MEX exchange wallet, holding 3.8% of supply. So mostly supply is on MEX exchange, around 20% of supply, and Get.io, BitGet, again Get.io, HTX. So mostly central exchanges has is supply, just like CoinX. So friends, there's nothing like wells or rugged here. Token is looking good, and mostly central exchanges has highest supply. So this is good. Now my price prediction about Grook AI coin is that as its current market cap is nearly $36 million. But friend, definitely this is AI meme coin and Elon Musk inspired meme coin, and still lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. And because in bear market, okay, entire crypto market is dumping, but 136% pump. So this is means that this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. Maybe in this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon, we can see group market maybe around $3 to $5 billion here. It's really possible that group can touch at least $3 to $5 billion market. This is not a dog or cat theme meme coin. Okay, so that's why this meme coin is also very unique and working on Ethereum chain. Mostly supply is on central exchanges. So it means that coin has something that is very good, and It's also possible that we can see its listing on all tier 1 central exchanges maybe in coming few months here. But your price prediction, do you also think that this meme coin can reach $3 to $5 billion market or not? You can must comment down below.